There you go, another awesome train there. I was wondering, what do you think about those trains I got the other day in Durand? So, yeah, this is my first train since my Durand trip, so I am planning on making more trips to Durand in the future. I'm not sure exactly when. Hopefully I'll pick better weather on that day because it snowed on me a couple of times when I was up there, and I'm not sure if it really was snow. It looked like snow, but it felt like sleet, you know, and yeah, the weather wasn't the perfect in the world, so wherever you're watching this from, hope you have a good day, and I'll talk the next train video comes by. And one other thing, I want to thank all my subscribers. So, I think last I knew I was like 104 subscribers. So, be safe out there, and thanks all my subscribers. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button and make a comment if you like, and have a good day out there.